Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this nail art. I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat onto my nail. Then, I'm applying a layer of white nail polish. After letting the white nail polish to dry, I'm applying 2 coats of orange nail polish. And this will be the base of my nail art. After that, I'm leaving it to dry completely. When it's all dry, I'm applying striping tapes in this pattern. After applying all of the striping tapes onto my nails, it's time to fill it in with colors. Starting from the tip, I'm applying a glittery purple nail polish. Then a moss green shade. After that, I'm peeling off the striping tape. It's best to peel off the tape before the nail polish dries. Then the next shade I'm applying is glittery black. Then I'm removing the tape. Just keep on repeating these steps until everything is painted. Then I did the cleanup. So to seal in this design, I'm applying top coat. For the ghost design, I'm using this stamping plate. Then I'm filling it in with white nail polish. Then I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nails, leaving it to dry a bit. Then I'm stamping the design. After all of that, I'm applying top coat. And that's how I did this nail art. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!